Meaning of fled.
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 Fled. Fled is a verb that means to run away quickly from a dangerous or threatening situation. When someone flees, they are often in a state of fear or panic, and their primary goal is to escape harm or danger. The act of fleeing can have both physical and psychological effects on the individual, such as increased heart rate, heightened senses, and a rush of adrenaline. Depending on the circumstances surrounding the fleeing, the outcome can range from a successful escape to potential harm or even death.